Good morning. This is the Big Toe, second in command of Jim Foot of CSX. Everyone needs a big toe, and I'm ready to put my big toe foot up the butt of whoever is responsible for this atrocity. We've only had 2 trains this morning in the last 2 hours, and something has happened either to the first or second train, because track 1 has a lunar, and it's been a lunar for quite some time. And as luck would have it, this train here, he's on track 1, Jacksonville. What the hell are you doing? What's going on with this lunar signal, and are you going to let this person proceed? If not, I'll come down there, I'll find you, I will push you down the stairs.